Go back to the not so minty Jeep Overland build, guys. We have new lights in the rock sliders. But unfortunately we have other problems with this Jeep. The radiator, I think, has a crack. It's developed a leak when we warm it up, so we get the engine up to temperature and the radiator starts leaking out the top around one of the seams. I'll try and film that and show you. We're going to get this Jeep turned around and we'll see if the engine leaks antifreeze at all. So let's get it started. Radiator has a bit of a crack right there. I think that's where I've seen some steam coming out down along the edge of the radiator. So I got to turn the car around right now. We'll see if it warms up, see if it starts leaking again. Up on two ramps. That's what it looks like stuffed into the wheel well. That's what it looks like with this wheel hanging down. Trying to figure out where clunking and bumping is coming from. We got something loose making noise. Not quite sure what it is yet. what they can do when they're just a stock springs, stock suspension, appropriately sized tires, no interference issues. Wheel fits right up in there. Yeah, it's stuffed in there pretty good. Still kind of can still fit my hand all around it. So still fit my hand all around it. Oh, now my hand's all dirty. That's all right. The lights are looking good. That's how much space we have in the front. I can't seem to get it to make that noise, the clunking and bumping noise. I may have to get on jack stands and give it a pry. Okay, we're still trying to find out why this thing makes a terrible clunk. This time up on the ramps, seems this wheel came off the ground this time. Guess we get to see a little bit of play in the suspension there. Seems to be just rear diff. Oh, this side is pushed up as far as it can go. Well, that's probably about it. Oh, we'll drive it back down and see if it makes any noise, and that'll be the last test. There, you can see where it's leaking. Definitely looks like we're going to be replacing the radiator. which could very well be why the heater is not working properly. So we need to do more work to it and finish her up. Also got to get this bumper finished up. Thinking we need some sort of plates under here, keep the dirt stuff from getting up inside the side here. You know, I think this back bumper needs to be finished. We also might need to raise this tailpipe. It's sticking down pretty good.
Thanks for watching.